So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the driver of the GA-H110M-H. So first you have to this gigabyte.com, www.gigabyte.com. After that you can see this search button and then enter your model number of motherboard and then hit enter. Click on the this. Click on support. Then select the operating system Windows 10, 11, 7. So all are the installations process same. Okay. Select the requirement. Then extract VGA. So Intel VGA and click to download. Now this is starting downloading. So wait few seconds to complete. So it is done and then just open it and double click to exe. And click on yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. And press enter to exit. So only for Windows 10, only for VGA. Other are you can there. And for other operating system, have all the driver.